All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the SXT model. It's beautiful red with black interior. It's got that two-tone leather with the suede-like inserts, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, fog lights. Only 40,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty darn good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Let's check out your tire thread, which is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here either. And your tire thread is at 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle, pull out the key. Boom. Does come with one key and one valet, one key fob combo and one valet key. No owner's manuals, or at least I haven't found it. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your backup camera. Pow, you got your AC controls right down below. It is dual AC with the 3 AC controls. Got the fronts, and then you got the rear. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. Turn on the lights. And your mileage, you don't see any lights on. Earning issues, your mileage of 40,774. Keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. We got some buttons here that'll do that for you. Boom. There's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does have rear AC controls and vents running around. Got a little power button, closes this door. Rear bumper, fantabulous. Rear trunk space and what that looks like, pretty nice. These seats do stow and go, as you know it here. Got a little button here. Closes this hatch or the lift gate, which looks good. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything on there. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim, rear passenger rim. Sorry, no problems here. Tire thread over 730 seconds. This door looks pretty darn good. Here is the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row, looking good. Got a little button here. Closes this door. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Tire thread over 730 seconds. Lights are on. Fog lights are on. Car looks beautiful, folks. Once again, this is a beautiful 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT model with 40,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.